I'd like to do a quick tutorial on a toggle button that changes from red to green or from green to red when you click on it, and that gets bigger when you roll over it and smaller when you roll off of it. This should be just a review, but hopefully a helpful review. I'm going to start with green, fill, no stroke, and make a simple button. This is a raw graphic, so I'll use my selection tool to select it. If I hit F8, and it brings up this convert to symbol dialog box. I want to make sure that my registration point is in the middle. That will make my button scale from that point instead of from the corner. So click OK, and we go down and got some mail. Give it an instance name of toggle MC. And I'll label this layer toggle MC. Inside this button, and inside symbol 1, I'm going to make a second keyframe by hitting F6, and that keyframe I'm going to turn not black but red. So I've got green on frame 1, red on frame 2. And I'll go back now out to scene 1. If I tested this now, the button would flash back and forth from red to green. I don't want that, so I need to add some script. So I'm going to add a layer. Make sure I'm clicked on that keyframe. I like to pin my actions layer up so that it doesn't go away when I click around on my stage. And I'm going to say toggle MC dot stop. That will stop it from flashing. And while I'm here, I think I'll also tell toggle MC to on rollover equals a function, and that function is this dot, I want to make it bigger, so I want to say X scale, and that'll stretch it wider, but I want to also stretch it taller, so I'll say equals this dot Y scale equals 120. That's a percentage. Okay, so I'll test it. When I roll over, it gets bigger. Now I need to tell it to get smaller when I roll off of it. Toggle MC dot on. Actually, I think I'll just copy and paste. So I'll copy that, paste it, change this to out, change this back to 100. I could test it, but I'm going to have faith that it works. And then I'm going to say toggle MC what we want it to do. I want to click on it. When I click on it, I want to evaluate if it's on frame 1 or 2. If this dot underscore current frame, double equal sign for an evaluation. If this dot current frame is 1, then I want to this dot go to and stop 2. Otherwise, I want to this dot go to and stop 1. Okay, let's test that. Okay, it's flashing, and I notice that I've made a syntax error. It says on line 8. So let's see what I did. Toggle MC dot on release equals function. Test it. No flashing, good sign. It gets bigger, smaller, and it toggles from red to green. Excellent. That's all I need to show you.